Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now for the finishing look, paste white paper inside your box. If you have more pattern paper left, then you can also paste the pattern paper inside. It's time to put all your stationery stuff inside your pencil case and you are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever a new video comes up on my channel. And yeah, thanks for watching.